Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope everybody's having a great, wonderful day. I'm back, guys. You've probably been seeing me actually doing my mailing campaigns, getting everything together to send out my last copies of the old 30-Day Success Formula letters. So the last few days I've just been stuffing, okay? But I'm back today kind of just to give you an update to where we are. If you're here, guys, for the first time, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, okay? But you probably landed here because you're looking for a way to make money from home, okay? And I am a full-time affiliate marketer. I do show you different home-based business opportunities that I'm a part of. From time to time, also, you will see me show you marketing tools as well that you can use, okay, to promote any business out there, all right? But today we're going to be talking about 30-Day Success Formula. This is the new letter, okay? It's a 12-page letter, full color deal. I highly recommend you doing front and back, you know, to condense it down to save you on some paper. And I'm also a part of the 6-Figure Stamp Club, okay? 2 great direct mail programs. I have been doing these in color. I'm making color copies of the 6-Figure. Let me make sure I get you in there. That's just how I like to do things, different colors for my letters. But, real quickly, 30-Day Success Formula is a direct mail program, okay? I've been in this program since March, okay? And this program has been offline for 4 years. It's been around 4 years, and they have been quietly doing direct mail. And the products are internet marketing courses, modules, okay, that they actually email the courses to you guys. They'll be electronically emailed, and then they will mail you your welcome kit with like a blueprint of the 30-Day Success Formula. Okay, that's how they do it. In the welcome email also confirms the level that you joined at. Okay, so they actually have products. They have also e-commerce stores, online marketing commerce stores. They have the credit booster debit cards to help you boost your credit, and they report to all 3 credit bureaus. All right, and then they also have a concierge service, and you can get paid on all those things if someone signs up on any of those products. Not to mention, you know, the 7 levels, because there's 7 levels in here now. Not to mention this as well, these 7 levels. You're getting paid on all that. So those are the products, all right? And this is the new letter, okay? That went effective Monday, I believe it was May 6th. Let me look here. Yes, May 6th, okay? So some of you may not have received yours yet. If you have not, and you're watching this for the first time, you want to go to the email, I believe it's PDF 30day. I believe it's PDF 30day at gmail.com, and request a new letter. You have to also tell them what's in box number 2, what should be in box number 2, whose name and address, and the name and address that should be in box 3, okay? So it's like starting over to get your flyer again, all right? So this is it. Now, the other one, the 6-Figure Stamp Club, okay, is a direct mail program as well. And I'm combining the 2 together because this particular program, the 6-Figure Stamp Club, their product is leads, okay? They have targeted leads, okay? They are only assigned to you. These are buyers, people that have actually bought into home-based business opportunities before they've spent money. And I'm going to tell you how solid these leads are. One of the guys that's on my team, he received a letter from somebody, okay, from the 6-Figure Stamp Club, and they use those leads. So that's how I know they're good, as well as I received my leads when I joined, and I saw at least 3 people named on that list that's in my autoresponder email. Okay, so these are great leads. And they pay you guys if you get some return addresses. By chance, if you get some that's returned to you, the company reimburses you for that. So it's a lot of benefits to this, as well as being able to buy your leads now at a discount. Okay, you're no longer going to have to spend the retail cost. Okay, you're going to be a member of the Six Figure Stamp Club, and you get a membership discount. Okay, so you're going to save up to 60% on buying your leads. And these leads are assigned to you guys. They're not recycled out into the marketplace. Only you. So they can email you these leads so that you can keep reprinting them and marketing to those same people over and over and over. That just makes sense. So with these leads going to the letters that you use for 30-day success formula makes sense. People are trying to make these two different deals. I mean, they're two different deals, but if you're in direct mail, okay, anyway, if you're in direct mail, you need leads, okay? And if you're not in direct mail and you have a business out here you're struggling with and you can't seem to find anybody, you're bugging all your friends and family, you're like, I can't seem to, how do I get people to join me? Join me over here in the Six Figure Stamp Club and get you some targeted leads, okay? That's the way that works. And I have customized envelopes that I'm using for these to be mailed out. I also have created a postcard for the 30-day success formula and working on one for Six Figure Stamp Club as well, okay? And the Six Figure Stamp Club is working on a website. So we're going to have a website, a back office, and all that is coming down the pipe very soon, probably about the next week, okay? So these are getting better and better, guys. So I have partnered with Six Figure Stamp Club just to enhance my 30-day success formula business, okay? They go hand in hand, okay? So you're really kind of doubling your income potential, okay? So with that being said, I'm going to put the link below for both of those in the description, okay? But today I want to do a quick update on some results. Now, before we get started, there is a new rule for 30-day success formula. We can no longer show you the commission, okay? So what I'm going to do for 30-day success formula is I'm just going to show you the order form, okay, without showing the person's name, and you will see the level they joined at, okay? And I'll list the levels below so you know the level of income for each level, okay? And you go from there. However, the Six Figure Stamp Club, I will show you those, okay? So that's where we're going to go with this. All right, I'm going to start with the first one. I've got 7 packages, okay? This one is, and I don't know what's in each one since I've joined both programs. It may be some 6-figure ones here, and it may be some 30-day or both or however, okay? All right, this is from Albert, okay? And I know this one is an indirect because my one of my members contacted me to let me know that was coming in the mail, okay? So, let's see. Like I said, I'm going to have to, and I know this is 30 days, so let me do this first. If he doesn't have an order form in here, guys, I cannot show you what it is. All right? All right. No, he doesn't have an order form, but I remember him saying, Albert, welcome Albert to the team. He knows who he is. He joined one of my members. He's mailing. That's what I'm telling you guys. Mailing works. This guy's not online either. And he mailed. And this was a level 2. But again, I can't show you. This person didn't put the order form in there. I remember him telling me that. So, level 2. Okay. So, I'll let you go figure that one out. All right. Another package. I'm going to put this over here because I didn't take time to scratch everything out thoroughly. So I'm just going to show you this. Another package. Okay. So that was one package. This is number 2. And if it's 6, and if it's 30 day, I can't show you the commission. Okay. So let's see what this one is. But you guys definitely want to get in this, guys. This is so simple and easy. Everybody can do this. Just mail, guys. Mail these letters. And I will show you. Join my team. I give you all the information you need. Everything I'm using. The cover letter. The custom envelopes. The postcard template if you want that as well. Okay. This is a 30-day. I cannot show you what it is. Welcome aboard. Newarton. He's from New York. It's a level 2. I'm not going to show you that amount, but I will show you the order form, guys. Level 2. See the check right here? So you'll know what that is. Level 2, look it up. Okay, and I had an indirect at first, and then this is a level 2. Okay, that's what we've got. All right, next one. Let's see what's in here. Charles, out of Georgia. Okay. Let's see. Charles out of Georgia. Oh, it's an indirect. My team is working. I love to get those indirects because that lets me know that my team is getting money. Oh, Wayne. Congratulations, Wayne. Wayne got another sale, so I got an indirect. And he says here it's a level 1. I'm going to show you that. Right here. See his peak? That's a level 1. So you know what that is. Okay, my team is working. All right, let's see what else we got. This is another package. Okay. Let's see. The simplest program on the planet. Okay. From 8 to 80, you can do this business, guys. Okay. Looks like it's another 30 days. Okay, can show you. All right, Beatrice, welcome aboard, Beatrice from Texas. Okay, so it's a 30-day. Level 2, right there. Okay, you do the math. Got a total of 7 packages here, guys. Another one. Look at this. Wow. I love how everybody seals this stuff up so well. Oh, magazine. Nice. Magazine. Let's see what's inside the magazine. Oh, they sealed it up really good. Look at that. Alright. Got 2 more packages after this one. Alright. Sealed up really well. That's how you want to do it. Alright. Let's see what we got here. And then it's sealed again. Alright, I'll get to the meat and potatoes soon. Been talking to quite a bit of people this week. Everybody's excited about combining the 2 programs. A lot of people that's already in 30 day that's not even with me are joining me in the stamp club. Okay, another 30 day, guys. Can't show you that either. Dane Mitchell. That's right. Dane Mitchell upgraded to level 3. Okay, Dane Mitchell. Out of California. Okay, level 3 right there. See that? All right, welcome aboard on your upgrade, Dane. All right. Kimberly Taylor from Tennessee. Welcome aboard. Let's see what we got. All right. Another 30 day. 30 day is hot, guys. It's hot. All right. A level 2. All right. Kimberly, and all the people that are joining me in 30 day at level 2 or higher. Level 2, you're getting 200 leads. If you come in higher, you get more leads. Okay. So these will go out the next week. Okay. 7 to 10 days from when I receive my commission. So level 2, Kimberly. Welcome. Level 2. You see that right there? Okay. Another level 2. 30 days. Smoking, guys. Last package. This is a big one. Alright. It's a big FedEx. I got a magazine, too. I don't know. I think they just kind of threw that in there as a Yes. There's another package. Okay. I know I do have some people coming in with six-figure this week. If this is not one, so I'll be back. Okay. This is the 7th package for today. It's the last one. Got a lot of, okay, another envelope. Okay. So let's see what we have in here. These are awesome programs, guys. Both of them are awesome. Alright. Looks like it's a 30-day, guys. Can't show you that either. Sorry. This is Tavoris out of North Carolina. Welcome aboard, my friend. Level 3, guys. Let me cover this up. Level 3. It's a level 3 right here. Tavoris. Let's see where it was. Right here. Okay. So, all the packages for 30 Day Success Formula. Different levels, guys. That's where we are with it. This thing is going like hotcakes, I'm here to tell you. So you definitely want to get in. You want to get with me so you can get in. And like I said, these two go hand in hand, okay? 30 day. This is the letter. And then I use different colors for my six-figure stamp club. What I'm doing, real quick, is I'm actually putting in the letter for 30 Day Success. I'm putting this red level letter in there, okay? Because when people join, if they don't let the company do the mailings for them, they've got to do their own mailing, so they're going to need leads, okay? So this will allow them to go ahead and order leads. They're going to get 100 leads at this level. Then I will get $50, and then I'll still get paid from 30 Day Success Formula, whichever level they come in here. Okay, so this goes hand in hand. You need leads to do this business. Okay, so with that being said, guys, that's all I've got for you today. Go ahead and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. I look forward to working with each and every one of you. So that's it, guys. Let's join partnerships together. Let's make this thing work, because it is working. I mean, I can't tell you enough. You've seen me since March just promoting it, and I'm getting results. And I can show you everything that I'm using. Now, that's up to you to do it. And of course, income will vary, because everybody's marketing efforts are different. Everybody doesn't follow what you tell them to do. But with consistency and patience, you've got to be patient. Everybody's saying, hey, I mailed out 100, I mailed out 200, nothing has happened. You've got to be patient. This is the mail, okay? It's not online. We just click a button. And even the people online, it takes time. You have to keep buying traffic over and over and over and over and over until it's a numbers game, until something finally clicks. It's the same thing with the mail. You have to keep mailing. And as long as you're mailing to the right people, the key is mailing to those same people over and over, okay? So, with that being said, I'm not going to keep you guys any longer. Again, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, and I will see you guys on the inside. You guys have a blessed day.